Hello guys, welcome to the London Motor Show. Quite a big place. And presenting you the new Versys 650. Not sure you can hear me, but it's quite a looker, quite a stunner. I'll run you through a few quick feature changes of this bike versus what I was riding for the last 5 years, and I think it's quite a nice refresh. So we have some good new body panels here, and a new indicator stock, and some styling changes here as well. So it looks very identical to the Versys 1000 that's right here. So windscreen is quite big, so and different shape, so it should stop quite a lot of wind effects that we usually have on the older buses. So looks refreshing, and it does travel quite a bit. So yeah, I'll show that to you. So this is the GT version of it, so that's why you see some of the panniers here, as well as fog lamps that comes as standard on the GT version, as well as some weather protection to your hands. So that's plastic. So what's new? What's new, as I was talking about, is the console. So that's new. There's no keys, so I cannot really switch it on. I think it should be very similar to what's on the other 650s by Kawasaki, and it has traction control as well. So you have some selections here for the menu, and of course you can select the traction control levels on this. And here we go. So some new consoles. So you have the parking light, the box lights. You have the power outlet switch. And what's interesting is the adjustment for the windscreen. So you press this and you can move it out. I'm not sure if I can show that to you right now, but let me try. Let me show you the windscreen adjustment. So I showed you this the lever here. You press it down, then pull it up and leave it so it locks. So it's quite a lot of travel, and then you press it down again and then press it back on. So that's brilliant. So here's the cockpit view, and I think it's pretty tall than the older one. So yeah, and of course you also have this panel where you can mount your phones or GPS. So that's a good one. I think it's a bit too thin, but I think that's still a good utility that you could use. And with the new switch here on the left, I think it's quite a good refresh or an upgrade. Of course, you have the regular adjustable separate function forks. Another new design change is this tank cap. That's it. So that's new, and I see some better covering here, a lot of covering compared to the older one, and of course the new stickers. The rest of the bike seems the usual. So that's it guys, this is the new Kawasaki Versys 650. This is the GT version of it. It comes up